People, Africa, do not play about your health. Let me explain the difference between when you go to the doctor in Africa and when you go to the doctor in America. So I've been in Africa for almost 2 months now. I'm going to be traveling in the next 2 weeks. But one of my tooths was paining me. It's been bothering me for months now. This shit had to come out. Now, before I tell you what happened at the dentist in Africa, let me tell you what happened at the dentist in America. In America, if you go for tooth pain, they're going to do an exam on your mouth. They're going to tell you they can pull it, but they're going to say they don't have no appointment times for today. So your tooth is in excruciating pain, and they're telling you to come back 2 to 3 weeks. They're going to give you some antibiotics and some pain medication. And God forbid, if you don't make that dentist appointment, you're going to be waiting another month. You're never going to get your shit pulled in America. Now, when you go to the dentist in Africa, they pulling your shit within 5 minutes. I went to the dentist with the mindset of they're going to look at my tooth, examine it, and tell me to come back another day. They looked at my tooth, they examined it, they left the room for 2 minutes, came back 5 minutes later, and said, "May we begin?" So I said, "Begin?" I said, "You about to pull it now?" "Yes, may we begin?" The dentist started numbing my gums immediately. She said, "Let me know when your mouth is numb so I would start pulling." So at this point, I'm scared as shit. I'm not used to this shit in America. So she asked me again, "Am I numb?" I said, "I think so." She said, "I'm going to start pulling." So she grabbed my tooth and started yanking that motherfucker. She said if the pain become unbearable at a 10, let her know. At that point, my shit was at a 30. So while she was yanking my teeth, she seen me making all kind of faces. She said, "Are you okay?" I said, "I'm living." She started yanking my shit again, and she ripped that motherfucker out. And then she said, "Is you okay?" She shouldn't have asked, "Was I okay?" She should have asked, "Was I alive?" But people, I will say this. Sometime when you go to the dentist in America, they be on some bullshit. They take ages to pull your tooth. Imagine you go to the dentist and your tooth is in pain and they trying to schedule your appointment for a month out and your shit in pain. In Africa, that shit coming out of there in 5 minutes. Salute to the African dentist.